how to understand Buffalo Wild Wings rewards and point system. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to understand how Buffalo Wild Wings gives you rewards and points, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to the Wild Wings website. Then you need to scroll down at the bottom and then go to FAQ and contact us. So here you can see reward shop, tap on the drop down, and here you can see various FAQs and understand how the reward and point system work. And then you can go to reward section at the top, and then you can see you can join today, you can view terms to join. So here are the legal terms and conditions. You can read it properly and understand the terms and conditions before joining. And then you can scroll down and then you can see you can earn any points any way you pay. You can unlock more with blazing status. You can enjoy special offers and rewards and be the first to know. And then if you want to learn more, you can tap on learn more and it will take you to the same page that you went on before. You can go to Buffalo Wild Wings rewards and then here you can learn more. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.